Okay, welcome back to my Let's Play of Need for Speed Undercover. Why'd I say Underground? Underground is a favorite of mine, though. I have been forced to play over by my amplifier, so yeah, hopefully I don't wreck it. Anyways, let's get going. Okay. What's in my garage right now, anyways? I think this, is the only car in my garage. Yep. And I don't have any bounty yet, either. Okay, let's go to the career. Huh? Okay, well, we're going to go to event 2. Wait, wasn't there a video on this? Oh, we already went through this. Okay. I'm just gonna pass right through this because we already went through this. Okay, event 2. So I'm going to be forced to use my Volkswagen. I'll try to keep this in camera view as much as I can. No guarantees. So we're racing other Volkswagens. Okay. Wow. Those are some nice designs. Racing is nice. Except for when you blow up your freaking engine. That's okay, I have nitrous. That's the great thing about this game. Nitrous just fills right back up. Unlike other Need for Speed games. Ooh, I hate when they don't give you better nitrous. Takeout! Took first place. Yay. Now I just need to keep it. Yeah, I'm driving kind of recklessly trying to keep my DS in view here. Somehow I don't think I'm going to be forced to be at my amplifier next time I do a Let's Play of this. Anyways. Oh gosh. I don't drift too well in this game, which is okay since drifting isn't a thing in this game. Like it is in some other Need for Speed games. I love those Need for Speed games though. I love the drifting on them. Drifting is a fun event. Need for Speed needs to do it exactly the way they did it in Underground though. I mean, Underground is perfect. Undercover is okay for like racing and such, getting away from the cops, but Undercover is where you get all these fun drifting events and such. I don't know why they don't do drifting like that anymore. If you play Need for Speed Porch, their drifting is horrible. I might do a Let's Play of that actually. I think that I should probably do a Let's Play of Undercover as well. But my computer's slow, so probably won't. That and there's always people here. Just driving along here. Don't mind me. Oh gosh. You know, it would really suck. It would really suck if they put a copyright on this game just because I use the actual audio. Since Need for Speed always uses music from actual artists. Oh gosh. Blah, reckless driving. And I've been passed! No! No! Get back here! I refuse to lose! Overtook my opponent. Yay. Oh gosh. Yeah! Oh shoot, I'm out of nitrous. Okay. Sorry. I'm trying to keep this in your guys' view. It's kind of pulling up, isn't it? Ah! Well, I can officially say I've been blinded by the light. This is way too close. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! Event 1. Whew! That was way too close for comfort. You're getting noticed. New event KO. Ooh. I'm going to... I can't really do this since I'm out of my bed. It was really hard to do it last time. Okay. Chase. Okay, they've definitely noticed you now. Try out a few of the special races that they do around here. The knockouts. Like I said in my previous video, I'm really bad with female voices. Win a few more and I'll tap my contacts. See if I can get you into something a little more profitable. Okay. So, oh, okay, red events are what I haven't done. So, next time I will be doing a sprint in chapter 2. So, see you guys in the next video.